Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Nitika. I post easy DIY nail art ideas twice every week. So if you love nail art, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to click on that bell icon so you will get notified as soon as I post a new video. In today's nail art video, I will show you how to create this cute jelly nail art design easily at home. So without making you wait for long, let's quickly get started with the tutorial. This is a jelly polish based nail art design, and instead of buying a new jelly polish, I'm gonna create my own jelly polish at home to make this nail art. If you are interested to learn how to create your own jelly polish at home, I have a previous video in which I have given all the instructions for the same. I'll leave the link of that video in the description box, or you can also click on the link above in the info card and watch it later. So in the first step, I have applied this gorgeous mauvey pink jelly polish on my alternate fingers and then this grey jelly polish on the remaining fingernails. Now I'm using this toothpick to create these polka dots on all my nails. A very easy way to make sure your polka dots look even is to start from the middle like I am doing here. So start making a line evenly spaced from the center of the nail and then fill in the rest of the spaces on the left and the right side of this middle line. It's a quick and easy trick to make sure that the polka dots are spread evenly and nicely. I feel that this design is really simple and easy, and jelly making is so much fun as well. And what more, you can also change the color of this nail art design, make a jelly polish in your favorite colors. Also, you can change the size of the polka dots by using the sharper side of the toothpick to create smaller dots. Now for the next step, let these polka dots dry off completely and then apply second layer of your jelly polish to complete this design. Isn't that simple? And it looks so stunning. I feel you can carry this nail art to any kind of party or function as well because it has just the right touch of bling to it. The final step, as always, is to apply a good quality top coat to protect your nail art and also help it last for a longer period of time. Don't forget to clean your edges because clean edges gives a professional look. I'm super impressed with this cute, fun jelly nail design. What do you think of this nail art design? Do let me know in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.